In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create YouTube channel with existing Gmail account. To begin, open your web browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you are signed in with the Gmail account you want to use. If you are already watching videos on YouTube, you might already be signed in. You can confirm by looking in the top right corner of the page. Next, find your profile icon in the top right. This may look like a small circle with a photo, an initial, or a generic user icon. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. This menu is where YouTube keeps the main account and channel options. In the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Create a Channel and click it. This will take you to the channel creation screen, where YouTube prepares your new channel using details from your existing Google account. Now take a moment to review your name and your handle. These will usually default to information connected to your Gmail account. Your name is what people will see on your channel, and your handle is the unique identifier that appears with an @ symbol in places like your channel URL and comments. Read both fields carefully to make sure they look the way you want them to appear publicly. If you plan to post content regularly, it is a good idea to choose something clear and easy to recognize. You will also see an option to upload picture. Adding a profile photo is optional, but it can help your channel look more complete and professional right away. If you want to add one, click Upload Picture and choose an image that is clear, well-lit, and easy to identify at small sizes, since it will often be displayed as a small circle. Once you are happy with the name, handle, and optional profile picture, go to the bottom right and click Create Channel. After you click, YouTube will finish setting up your channel and apply your choices. At this point, your YouTube channel is created and linked to your existing Gmail account. That covers everything you need to know.